Hey everyone, it's Jazz, and today in the kitchen we're making strawberry crunch crumble. This is a no-bake recipe and you only need 4 ingredients. Please don't forget to comment, like, and hit that post notifications button. So for this recipe, it's very simple. You only need Golden Oreos, a strawberry and vanilla jello pack, and then 1/4 cup of melted butter. Grab your food processor and we're gonna add 1/2 pack of Golden Oreos, or I'm adding 18 Oreos, that's what I counted. But if you don't have a food processor, obviously you can use a baggie and you can just crunch it up with your hand or anything hard that you can hit it with. If you're using a food processor, I'm just gonna pulse this and blend it until I can't blend it anymore, because I don't like to dip my strawberries in the big pieces. I like it to be evenly coated. So I'm gonna go ahead and then I can show you in the next clip what it should look like. So here is what the crumbs look like. It should resemble like cheesecake crust. I'm gonna go ahead and melt 1/4 cup of butter, unsalted, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the mix and mix it with my hand until I get the consistency I want. I only added 1/2 of the melted butter in the first clip because I didn't know if I needed the whole thing, but I actually did. So you can go ahead and just add the whole 1/4 cup of butter to the mix and just mix it with your hand. After your Oreos are mixed with your butter, go ahead and add the whole pack of strawberry jello mix. And then once we mix this, we're gonna go ahead and add the vanilla mixture. So here's what it should look like after the strawberry has been added, and now we're gonna add the vanilla. So here is what the crumble should look like in the end. It looks like the strawberry shortcake crumble. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any recommendations or any methods that you do that's easier. I also linked my TikTok in my bio, so if you want to follow my TikTok, it's there. But please don't forget to comment, like, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos.